Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of Maisto's new 1/64 scale ramp truck, and this comes with the 1993 Ford SVT Cobra, and this is from a series called Maisto Design. We'll go ahead here and there's the box. We'll go ahead here and take it out and take a closer look at it. All right, we'll take a closer look here at the Mustang. The paint job is really well done on it, I have to say, for a Maisto car, or Maisto, however you prefer to pronounce it. Lots of details on this, I think, for the money. And there's a plastic base on it. It's held together with 2 Phillips head screws, which is really convenient when you want to take it apart and do a wheel swap. This features centerline style flat-faced wheels that are in black plastic. It reminded me of Mad Max's Interceptor. When I first saw it on the shelf, I actually thought that's what it was until I took a closer look. Got plenty of details there. They have the belt for the superchargers painted in, and the inlet hole for the scoops painted in. There's a black interior with a chrome steering wheel. Pretty nice. Now the one that probably most people are interested in is going to be the truck. This feels to me that it's 100% plastic. Even the cab, it doesn't really weigh anything when you pick it up. It does have rubber tires. It doesn't really appear to do anything. Oh, this does slide down. Oh, cool. Okay, I didn't know that. That's cool. That's nice to know. I did not know that. So that's cool. So that is functional. That's awesome. It has a nice snap to it when you put it back. Now it does have a little tow hitch on the back, so I guess you could use their trailers and put one of their trailers on. I assume the Zig Racing is fictional. It does have a lot of other sponsor decals there that are real. It features black interior. Really nice. I mean, this set for the money, I think this is a must buy. This is really cool. So there you go. That is their new ramp truck, and it's from their Maisto Design series, or I should say transport series from them. If you like this type of video, be sure to subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. All right, bye now.